My mission is simple, to make you money. I'm here to level the playing field for all investors. There's always a bull market somewhere, and I promise to help you find it. Mad Money starts now.
Hey, I'm Cramer. Welcome to Mad Money. Welcome to Cramerica. Other people, one of my friends, I'm just trying to make some money. My job is not just to entertain, but to teach, put it in context, educate. Call me at 1-800-743-CNBC or tweet me at Jim Cramer. You know what we want? We want a normal stock market that trades on traditional metrics. How about earnings? How the sales? How's the sector? What happens if the Fed raises rates? Who knows? But even on a crazy day like today, where tech let us down before rebounding, while the rest of the market stayed down, the Dow sinking 474 points, S&P losing 0.87%, NASDAQ finished the session off just 0.09%. Nice recovery there from the lows. We keep acting like this is a usual time. This is anything but usual. I mean, think about it. We're living in the shadow of a pandemic. Only about 35% of the country's been fully vaccinated. We celebrate the fact that fewer than 40,000 people caught COVID in America yesterday. That's still really bad. If we had seen a number like that during the first wave of infections, we'd still be in lockdown. When we saw numbers like that at the end of September, we were in panic mode. The truth is, we just got used to the pandemic, and of course, there are far fewer deaths because there's more ways to treat the virus. Plus, we've got the hope of herd immunity as more people get the vaccine. But COVID's still very much with us. Meanwhile, our efforts to combat COVID and get the economy roaring again have created some incredibly unusual circumstances. We still have what might be some to be considered overly generous unemployment benefits that make it hard for businesses to find workers. We have to pay $22 an hour at my restaurant to match what unemployment benefits can give you, and we can't afford it. We just have to close. People apply for work as they're supposed to, but then they don't even show for their employment. Why not? It's hard for businesses to adjust to a world where the workers can just do fine without a paycheck. We've got eviction freezes. Hundreds of thousands of businesses have closed. We still don't know what the protocol is for anything. Mask or no mask, test or no test, cruise or no cruise. Will people be compelled to take a vaccine? Will they pass take a vaccine? Do we have to take a vaccine? I don't know. Who knows? Do you know? So it's possible that many of the national numbers, like the Labor Department's non-farm payroll report last Friday, could be completely distorted. Plus, the reopening trade that everyone loves is all about the expectation that the vaccines will stay positive, working, fighting against COVID, and that the COVID variants are crushed. And we can actually go somewhere, anywhere that's actually open. When we have a situation that is as confusing as this one, I like to turn away from the government data and go directly to the business people I trust who've done so much to stem this pandemic. People like Robert Ford, the CEO of Abbott Labs. This is the company that pioneered antigen testing for COVID. They make all sorts of proprietary devices for diabetes, the heart, the brain, among so many other organs. Abbott can help us make sense of the moment so that we can develop a worldview that puts things in perspective.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.